too much anyway. As a nation, government just helping you to a healthier lifestyle. It's so hard to bear on your own that you need the support of a friend, or a loved one, or a government, or a collective body, or positive people. Very bad for the environment. So you're actually rebuilding the polar ice cap every time you use this stuff in message. Proof, positive proof, you can make sure.
Well, as you say, Andy, people are born to novelty. Everyone's had breakfast once. Why are you going to keep having them again?
Well, another story that's come to the fore recently is that all European imports have been banned for public health reasons, which is great news. I mean, at least we can get eating good, home-produced, locally sourced British industrially unsafe food.
Public health reasons, those are curious words. Alice, I don't know if that in case the body gets too healthy eating all that Mediterranean mud. It's like British food for British tummies. Spelt, nettles, rabbit. That's all we need. That's all we need in the glory days. Everyone ran to Nigel's for dinner, you know.
Who needs Italian olives when you can eat pickled rubber bands in a soup of regret? Who needs a nice cheese when you can eat a lukewarm, unspecified rat meat pie with 0 spices?
Sand, nettles, and bits of dead fox. That's all we need in the glory days. Let's make Britain great again. That's all from the bug today. Good night, sleep. And folks, do bye.
While food contaminations happen from time to time, London has seen a sharp rise in E. coli, salmonella and listeria in recent years, and many are pointing to government cutbacks in food standards monitoring. Join GBB